Now sprouting and fermentation. Okay, this process used in our food items. How some method of preparing food increase the nutritive quality of food, like sprouting and fermentation. We want to increase the nutritive quality of the food, na? These methods used. How they are used, we are read here. Sprouting grains like grams and pulses are rich in vitamin and proteins. Firstly, we read na. So let us learn how to make sprouted grams in activity 2. See here. Soak some gram in water overnight and transfer these to a wet cloth. Overnight you have to soak some grams in water, and next day you have to transfer in wet cloth. Keep the cloth damp for a day. Okay, you will see tiny threads, a small thread that coming out of them. So these are sprouts. The sprout, it means that pulses are germinate. Sprinkle some salt on that, lemon juice, and added chopped onion, chopping onion and tomatoes to the sprouting grams, and now you have to eat it as a salad. So with the help of sprouting grains, you have to increase the nutritive quality of the food. Similarly, how to fermentation process use. Similarly, fermentation improves the taste and nutritive value of the food. For example, idli are made from the fermented dough. Dough means like a wheat. Okay, so with the help of wheat, we made a idli with the fermented process. Fermented process is a chemical breakdown inside the food that left overnight to ferment. Okay, take a dough and that left overnight to ferment. Then it is made into balls. Then a small balls make for steaming them. After that, steam it, and fermented food is more nutritive. Next is food preservation. Now, how we preserve our food for a long time. So food kept for a long time gets spoiled by germs. Germs need water and warmth to grow. Now बच्चे, food kept for a long time you get spoiled by germs. If we want to preserve our food na, then we use a different methods. If we not used, then germs are spoil our food, and germs need a water and a warmth. It means heat they want for growing. So let us try to activity this. Keep some cooked food or chapati in plate and one corner of the classroom. Put enough water and keep it moist. Observe it for a week and note the change in the color. You will find that small black, green, gray dots on the food. You have to see that are called germs which are spoil our food. Food can be preserved for a longer time, preventing the growth of germs. Now food preserved for a long time, so we prevent our food from germs na? So there are several methods to keep food safe and preserved. Now which method is there? First is salting. We can add salt to food items to preserve them as a pickle and fish. But at your home too, you see that your mother uses salt inside your pickle and preserve it for a long time. Next is boiling. This method will preserve food for a short period of time. Have you seen your mother boiling milk? Saying now all that why she boil the milk? It prevent it from getting spoiled and also kill the germs present in it. Now refrigeration and freezing. So food kept in a refrigerator remain fresh for some days. We all are kept our food inside the fridge. Why? To keep remain fresh for some days. Germs do not grow easily in cool places. Firstly, we read now that germs are grow in a heat. So in cool places they are not growing. So we keep milk, fruits, vegetables, and cooked food inside the refrigerator. Now sweetening. Here now pictures are given that you have to see in which process we use in which food. Sweetening. Excess sugar in food also act as a preservative. So we can store fruit for a long time in a form of jam, jelly and murabba by adding sugar. Eating na murabba, you all jams, jellies. So for a long time you have to eat. How? With the help of a preservation method. Now dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. So in this method the food items are dry in sun to stop the growth of germs in them. See all are eating these chips, potato chips, all are eating. So how they are prepared? With the method of dehydration. All the water are removed from the potatoes and keep it dry in the sun to stop the growth of germs. Certain food items such as raw mango, fish, tomatoes and potato chips can be preserved by this method. These are the example of dehydration method. Now healthy food habits. Which good habits is there? Healthy foods habits is there. You should observe the following food habits. Wash your hand before and after eating. Clear? Wash fruits and vegetable before eating them raw. Wash vegetable before and never after cutting them. Firstly you have to wash it your vegetable, but after cutting you can't wash it. Chew your food well. Do not waste food. Take only that much food how much you have to eat. So eat only covered food items, as fly and dust contaminate them with germs. Pache, eat only covered food. Okay, some flies are and some dust particles are you have to see in that on put on our food and you eat as it is and you fall sick. So eat only covered food. I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thank you.